Office in Wilmington at 1-800-697-3901. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has Warren County in northeastern South Carolina, Marion County in northeastern South Carolina until 7:30 p.m. At 6:23 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Sellers to near Goretown, moving south at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Myrtle Beach, Conway, North Myrtle Beach, Marion, Mullins, Red Hill, Little River, North Myrtle Beach Airport, Cherry Grove Inlet, Little River Entrance, Ori, Hickory Grove, Sellers, Homewood, Blue Brick, Ori Georgetown Technical College Conway Campus, Adrian, Gateway, PD Crossroads, and Britain's Neck. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please send your reports of hail or wind damage, including trees or large limbs downed, by calling the National Weather Service Office in Wilmington at 1-800-697-3901. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for